Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ksenia Menshikova, the author of the book I'm presenting to you today. This book is about karma and fate. How can one take control of their destiny? Is it possible? What is karma? Is it something inevitable or just an esoteric invention? All these profound questions, sooner or later, inevitably arise for anyone who truly starts to look at the surrounding reality a bit more broadly than is customary in conventional academic scientific circles, and also a bit more seriously from the perspective of rigorous science and common sense than is typically usual in religious circles. And then the question arises, how should we view the world around us? If you truly see it as the inevitable result of divine providence, then the chances of ever changing this fundamental reality are indeed close to zero. If you consider it as the direct result of natural evolution, the ultimate outcome is about precisely the same. Whether you choose to act or not, it truly makes no difference. However, if you truly consider this entire world as an intricate program, and your very own existence within it as a significant addition to that overarching program, then a considerably broad and expansive field for potential action genuinely opens up before you. This particular book here is a comprehensive textbook, a full-fledged and essential textbook in my esteemed school, which my dedicated students diligently use to learn precisely how to correct the intricate programs of their very own destiny. This book has much theory, but also, importantly, a lot of practice. Theory without practice is dry and lifeless. That is why both theory and practice are combined together in this book. By studying the intricate workings of karma and your own destiny with this profound book, you will gain not only the invaluable opportunity to put theoretical knowledge into practical application with tangible, small results, seeing the immediate effect right here and now, but also with truly impactful, long-term, significant outcomes, because in this comprehensive book, we also examine such a crucial factor as time, and we learn how to set the desired results on the timeline into the future. In other words, to work with the line of the future. And this is already a purely magical art, which, generally speaking, an uninitiated person might call sorcery, or even a miracle, especially if that person is quite religious. And only you will know that it is neither sorcery nor miracle. It is magic, the magic of personal influence, tied more to consciousness than to surprise. Because surprises and miracles are usually done by others. But magic is what you do yourself, and you bear responsibility for it. In our line of work, there is such a rule. If you do something yourself and take responsibility, then the result you achieve is entirely your own victory, one that no one can take away, no one can steal or diminish. It raises a person's level of rights and existentiality when they act independently and take responsibility. In this case, the book is written for those who are ready to take responsibility for changing their own destiny. For those who are not waiting for miracles or gifts from above. Not from there either. No, everything yourself, all with your own hands, through your own mind, through your own understanding of changing your life. Without involving the profound knowledge of astute psychologists or skilled regression therapists or other highly respected colleagues who are truly masters of their respective craft. But what they ultimately achieve is truly their accomplishment, indeed not yours. Your achievement will only be yours if you do everything yourself. I have tried in this very substantial book, hence its size, to explain, step by step and in as much detail as possible, from the simple to the complex, from the general to the particular, what karma and fate truly are. I show how you can take your life into your own hands and rewrite its program, not one that seems to have been coded by a drunken programmer, but one crafted by wise, powerful Norns who see each person as a hero, capable of reshaping the delicate, vulnerable fabric of the reality in which we now live. You will start with yourself, change your own world, and the world of everyone who truly comes into contact with yours will indeed begin to change as well. I would be absolutely delighted if this book could guide you into the remarkable world of magical mastery, rights, responsibility, and skills, so that you never have to rely on anyone else again, only on yourself. A book about karma. The book, The Law of Cause and Effect, is written for you. Thank you, colleagues. Wishing you all the best